Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to remove the hiss sound in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play. You have your audio recorder right here and so on. So guys, let's go and see how we can get started with removing the hiss sound from our tracks. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up the audio recorder option right here. That's going to go ahead and open up this recording menu where, as you can see at the top of the screen, we are going to have this big red circle that's going to enable us to start recording and so on. So basically guys, what we want to do is go right here into the upper left corner, click this button in the middle. That's going to go ahead and open up this edit mode, which is now going to open up this mixing mode where you can see we have all the tracks we have created. I have my drums, our keyboard, and my audio recording. So let's say I have a hissing sound in my audio recording. All I have to do to be able to get rid of it is go right here at the top of the screen and click the sliders option. This slider option is going to open up this track settings right here where you can see we can now scroll down to find our plugins and equalizer, master effects, and so on. And if you open up plugins and equalizer, you can see that one of the options is going to be called the noise gate. So once you click on noise gate, now guys, now you can go and select how much of the noise gate you want, and by reducing and increasing this option right here, you can select how much of the hiss sound you want to remove from your track. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.